Hi, welcome to my combination laundry room and wet studio. I have washers and dryer down here, and yes, I do have two washing machines. Utility sink with a restaurant-style pre-wash faucet, which is one of my favorite things. It makes it easy to wash out containers and to wash my hair after I've dyed it. Many of the things down here came from the kitchen. I don't like to throw things out, and they work perfectly well down here, including an old microwave that I sometimes use for dyeing. My painting table is a piece of plywood on top of an old butcher block table. It was too small for the kitchen, but fits just right down here. Quick peek in the cabinet, mostly painting supplies and plastic bins and other containers to keep stuff together. The floor I love. It's interlocking foam tile, so it's nice and comfy on my feet when I'm standing. So that's about it. So thank you for joining me.